What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here and you're just here for the racing, skip ahead to the timestamp right about here. Otherwise, here's the vet. We got another problem. And I know what you're saying. Didn't you just get it back? You just fixed it? Yeah, I did just fix it. But check this out. While I was doing a pull on the way over, did a nice pull. Car was running great. And yeah, we blew the exhaust clamp off there. So now I'm hoping somebody brings a jack. I'm here a little early and hopefully we can get it hooked back on, because it sounds terrible and I'm pretty sure it's losing a little bit of power. It does not feel as strong as it did the first time. So there's that. But otherwise, we're waiting for a couple guys to show up. I'll show you their cars, walk around, do a little walk around, show all the cars that are here. If I can't bring this out and run it, I'll maybe sit in the car with somebody else and have them run. So we'll see what happens. Let's go. For those wondering what it's done to the car, it's a C6Z 2006. It's got intake, stock intake manifold, headers, full exhaust. Well, it was a full exhaust before we had that blowout there. Heads, cam, stage 3 cam from Breathless Performance, and got a fancy alternator because we ran into that issue also. And when you're like me and you break down all the time, like you got to carry your chair with you. That way you can just hang out, you know, and sit right in your chair and enjoy a beverage.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean.
We got Dylan. I'm not sure this guy's name. And we got Joel.
I can't fucking move it.
You hit your finger. You got blood here.
The thing slipped out.
All messed up. This car's just causing problems.
We should put some.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Quick little recap. The Hellcat, we ran him a couple times. I think we ran him like 4 times. We only got 2 other races on video, unfortunately. The GoPro was giving us some problems. It was back and forth with him. He was spinning on one, then he beat me on one, then I beat him on one. It was back and forth, so that was a close run with that. I was pretty happy with the way the car held up against the newer Hellcat. And then we raced the MS3. I got him both times. Again, GoPro giving us problems. I'm probably just gonna start filming from the phone with the passenger, because these GoPros, they just, like, you click the button and then it doesn't want to turn on a couple times. It's pretty frustrating. And then we ran the GT500 and he pulled on us. We were starting to pull him back a little bit, but then I redlined like an idiot. Also, you saw the Mustang out racing, the MS3 versus the Mustang, and a couple other races. And then at the very end, unfortunately, we saw that Andrew's FRS blew up. So he was on the side of the highway for most of the night. I think that was the first race he got in, and then blew it up. So if you watched the entire video, down in the comments, RIP FRS, type RIP FRS to see who actually watched the whole video. But thanks, guys, for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, hit the like button, all that kind of fun stuff. Be more content coming out with the Corvette. Hopefully we'll be out racing it a lot more. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Later.